Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From here, navigate down to Storage. There we go. Select Memory Card right here and select Format. This will give us a message. You're about to format your memory card. Data on all partitions of the memory card will be erased. To avoid losing your data, back it up before continuing. So obviously the message explains it. Everything will be kind of removed from it, deleted. So if you want to keep anything, do make a copy of it. But assuming you have already done so or you simply don't want to, select Erase and Format. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds, and it should be right about done. There we go. So click on OK, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.